Hi everyone, this is Umair Usman, the cognitive consultant. I help people manage their weight, remove their anxiety, and improve their performance. Today I'm going to talk about an interesting idea I came across in the National Council for Hypnotherapy journal, the summer edition. And it talks about energizing meditation. This is a protocol that has been proposed by Howard Barron, and who is actually a management consultant. And he says that during regular hypnosis and meditation, we usually wake up being calm and relaxed. His idea was to have a protocol where we wake up being refreshed and energetic. And although it might seem similar to waking hypnosis or active alert hypnosis, it's a completely different idea. The induction and everything is regular, but the suggestions themselves are meant to be able to help you wake up being more energized and refreshed. And Howard Barron is actually a specialist in crisis management in the corporate environment, so to speak. And therefore, his idea is mostly geared towards helping managers, helping leadership get through a difficult crisis or difficult situation. So let me give you the 4 main points of energizing meditation as described by Howard Barron. First of all, let me just tell you the idea is very flexible. The protocol is not 100% fixed. It's not like you have to follow it completely, but it has 4 basic points that can be simply molded into any form of meditation. And he calls this managing the mind. So you manage the mind in order to help yourself in a crisis situation. The first thing is getting rid of unproductive thoughts. Number 2 is reminiscing about cherished moments, happy moments that make you feel happy, that give you hope, that uplift your mood. Number 3 is thinking about future possibilities, future projections, so to speak. Imagining what you want to happen in the future, what you would want to happen in the future, visualizing what you would want in the future. And number 4 is being absorbed in the moment, which is a hallmark of meditation and hypnosis. So I can go through this in a crisis management situation where, for example, a leader, for example, has faced the corona crisis. Now in the corona crisis, first of all, what they have to do is get rid of unproductive thoughts. Go into hypnotic state, get rid of all the thoughts that are coming into your mind. For example, what will happen to the business? We can't manage that. I'll have to get rid of employees. All these unproductive thoughts have to be eliminated. Then you have to reminisce about cherished moments. For example, past victories where that leader has stood up and managed a situation like this before. Number 3 is thinking about future possibilities. Your future would be imagining your company, imagining the organization getting through this in an easy manner, in the most productive manner, in the most healthy manner. Number 4 is staying in the moment, obviously. And that, in the mind of Howard Barron, would help you manage the mind in this crisis situation. And I would even go ahead and say that we can adapt this protocol to other issues as well. So let's just say we have a client who has body image issues or weight issues. So first of all, they would have to get rid of all the negative thoughts about their weight, about their body, about how they can't control themselves, and so on. Number 2, they would have to reminisce about cherished moments from perhaps when they were a child and they felt comfortable around food, they felt comfortable about their own body image. It doesn't have to be related to the problem at hand, but it can be. Number 3 is possible future possibilities. You can help the client imagine them working out, making healthy choices. And number 4 is focusing on the breath to stay in the moment. And in that way, the hope is that the client would come out of this meditation energized and ready to deal with the situation. And you can see how this is more focused towards crisis management, but I can see that this can easily work for other issues and problems as well. Now, Howard Barron goes on to explain that, as I mentioned, it's a very flexible protocol. And we can go on to develop our own scripts, our own methods of doing this. And he also discusses about topping it up with meditation, self-talk, and even top-up meditations later on in the sessions, later on in the protocol, in the second session, third session, so on and so forth. And you also asked us to experiment with this protocol, experiment and come up with our own solutions, our own recipes. But the basic idea is, of course, getting through a difficult situation and doing a hypnosis where you come out being more energized, more refreshed, more ready to deal with the world. All right. So I hope we've all learned something here today. This was Umair Usman, the cognitive consultant, and I will see you next time.